Today on our show, we're gonna have El Drago Destruct from Hasbro versus El Drago Tornado Battle, Electric El Drago, Spark FX.
Tornado El Drago.
They're both Hasbro. Okay, let's get to battling. Oh, we really want to battle. This is our first Beyblade battle video. So let's get to battling. Okay. Come on this side.
This side. It will hit my arm.
Get it. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. Okay. And this is in the Beyblade Metal Fury Dark Helm FX Space Stadium. Oh, that was actually a strong hit. Oh, and it looks like we have a winner.
El Drago.
And we'll have another battle with our epic new Spark FX Beyblade. 3, we got these from Kohl's for $11 each one. 3, 2, 1, let it rip. We launched them, and here's another epic battle. Epic, I tell you, epic.
El Drago, special move, dark move.
No, mine has dark move. Oh, and my other El Drago Destruct, we're not going to be using that today.
I can't lose.
Go Drago, go El Drago Destruct. Use dark move.
El Drago, dark move. Oh, yeah.
And we have a winner. So, we have a winner, Ethan, with his El Drago. So, see you later.
And I'm the late loser.
So, see you later, y'all.